Okay, on our review, we have problems 48 to 52 here. We're adding, subtracting, composing, and then dividing in these problems. So first of all, 48, we're just adding f and g. So we just take negative x plus 6, and we add on 5x. Adding them together, 5x and negative x makes 4x plus 6. Okay? When we subtract f minus g, you're going to do negative x plus 6, take away 5x. So combining like terms there, you get negative 6x plus 6. Pretty straightforward, not much going on with those two problems. As for numbers 50 and 51, this is where we take the number 2 and plug it into the f equation and see what we get. So if we plugged 2 into f, you'd get negative 2 plus 6, which is 4. So that's sort of our temporary answer, 4. Then you take 4 and plug it into the g equation in place of x, and 5 times 4 is 20. It's backwards for number 51. You begin by plugging negative 1 into the g function. So it would be the opposite of negative 1 plus 6, which is 7. Then you take 7 and evaluate f. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. Jeez, let me redo that one. That one should have been, we're supposed to plug it into g first. There we go. So you're supposed to do 5 times negative 1 and get negative 5. Then you evaluate f of negative 5. Okay? So we're going to take negative 5, plug it in. The opposite of negative 5 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So there are my 4 answers for 4x plus 6 is 48, negative 6x plus 6 is 49, 20, and 11 for 50 and 51. Sliding up here for 52, we need to do f of g of x. So negative x plus 6 is going to be our shell, sort of our outer shell function, right? Negative x plus 6 is on the outside. We're going to take 5x and plug it in place of the x. So I put a little spot here for negative x plus 6. I'm going to replace the x with 5x. Negative 5x plus 6. They asked you to restrict the domain or tell me if there's any problem with the domain. In this one, it's all real numbers. Okay, there's no problem with putting any number in for x when it's a linear function like this. With f over g, you're going to take negative x plus 6, put that on top. Take g of x, 5x, put that on bottom. And x cannot be 0 because you're not allowed to divide by 0, so that would be your domain. In the last one there, put g of x, 5x, over f of x, negative x plus 6. In this one, x can't be 6.